How do you stop gum swelling? Well, let's take two instances here, okay? Let's say you are healthy and you're trying to prevent it from happening. Or let's say number two, you actually have it and you want to stop it from getting worse. All right, so let's start this first scenario. It's where you actually have, oh, a big old bird flying above me. Number one, you're healthy. So what do? You brush twice a day, you floss, and you actually go see your dentist every 6 months. That's all you guys simply got to do. And that'll help keep the gums from swelling. Now let's say you already have gum swelling. Depending on how severe it may be, brushing, flossing alone at home will not fix the problem and continue to swell because you already have the problem underneath your gums, which you cannot remove on a personal level. You need professional help. That's why you have to go to the dentist. And a dentist, they're going to do one of nine different types of cleanings that we can actually do to make sure we get rid of whatever is causing that chemical stress to make your gums swell. So that's number one. From stop it, you gotta get professional care. The number two is maintain it. Brushing twice a day, flossing, and then always go back and see the dentist to make sure that whatever caused that gum swelling in the first place is no longer there or will not come back. That's how you do it. I hope that helps.